Yo, what is up YouTube? We're back here with another video for you guys. This time we got the WRX, the RS, and the Accord 2.0. We're gonna go do some runs. These guys, you already know, they're making 400 wheel on a Kuro turbo on E30, full bolt-ons. The RS 403 on stock turbo, FBO E30. And the WRX is full bolt-ons, E50, and they made 375 to the wheel, so should be some good runs. Last time the WRX did beat the RS, and that thing wasn't even close that race, so we're gonna do a rematch now, so let's see how it goes. Sixty. Ready?
Got it.
That's good, that's good. I know, but I gotta have to brake. Ready? Forty. Ready? It's close, bro. It's close.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
280, nigga.
Wait, break. Ready?
I got gap third.
Second.
I think that was tie, nigga. I don't know.
Alright guys, so there you have the runs.